Hi, this is Chef Alan with Global Sugar Art with my 2-minute tips and tricks. If you've ever found yourself in a pinch for a cake box, especially a half sheet or sometimes a full sheet cake box, which can be expensive to ship to you and even more difficult to find in a local store, I want to just share with you a quick tip on how to make your own. This is a standard quarter sheet box. And all you do is, like you're folding a regular box, just crease it, but don't crease this end. And then just fold over all the tabs. And then you're just going to put the box together as you normally would, but leave this end part open. And like I said, this works for both a half sheet or a full sheet. So this is a quarter sheet box, and I've got another one ready to go. And you just put the two together, just like this, and you would use tape to tape the sides and go right over the top. Of course, you could use a stapler, but I never recommend using a stapler around food products. This is a half sheet board. This is the typical board that a half sheet cake would sit on. And that fits right in there perfectly. So you just tape the sides and then put the covers down, and voila, you've got a half sheet cake box made out of 2 quarter sheets. And again, you can do the same thing if you have 2 half sheet boxes and you want to make a full sheet cake board. Thanks for watching our 2-minute tips and tricks. And don't forget, the best deals are at globalsugarart.com. Have a great day.